Hi, I'm Dave Dunbar. I'm Assistant Sales Manager at General Pipe Cleaners. I'm here today to talk to you about the JM-1000, the newest addition to our line of high-pressure water drain cleaning devices. The JM-1000 is designed for 1 to 3 inch lines, small lines. It's very portable, very affordable. See, it's only 22 pounds in a diamond plate metal case. It will survive the back of your truck, and it's so easy to use and so easy to transport around that you could probably be half done with the job before you even get the bigger jetters off your truck. So today we're just going to look at some operating instructions for the unit and look at some of the features, what you have inside here and how you're going to use it. So, first we have the 1/8 inch hose. This is the high pressure hose that goes down the drain. It's designed for 1¼ to 3 inch lines. It's available in 30, 50, and 75 feet. You have a water supply hose. It's 20 foot long. One end you have a valve to control the water flow through the unit. You have a cord, 20-foot cord with built-in GFI for safety. You have a nozzle set. You have a 4-piece nozzle set, and today we use a spring leader nozzle. It helps you get around bends and 90s with ease. In addition, you have an adapter that will go on a faucet. So if you have to use a regular faucet instead of a hose bib in order to supply water to the unit, you can do that. So first let's put the high pressure water hose on. It goes on the high pressure outlet. We have a twist connect that easily attaches. You just put it on finger tight. Next, we'll put on the nozzle. Next, let's put on the inlet hose. Make sure it's tight. And make sure the valve is in the off position to start with. So after you have everything hooked up, then you can turn on your water supply. You can turn on the faucet, hose bib, garden hose, whatever you have the unit hooked up to. Make sure though that the valve is in the off position so water doesn't actually flow through the unit yet. Then take the hose and put it on the drain, or down the pipe that you're going to be cleaning. Get it far enough away from the opening so you don't get wet. When everything is set up the way you want it, then and only then, turn on the valve. Allow water to flow through the unit. Like all of our units, all of our jetters, water has to be flowing through the unit before you turn it on. When you're satisfied this is working properly, then and only then, turn the unit on using the switch on the box. When the unit is on, the high pressure water coming through the nozzles will pull the hose down the line. We use a forward and back motion like this. A little bit forward and then back to maximize the effect of the high pressure water scouring the inside of the pipe. This is what actually removes the grease and other stoppages from the inside of the pipe. When you're done with the job, bring the hose back fairly close and then turn off the unit and turn off the water supply. Let it sit for a few seconds, let everything come through, and then you can pull the hose out of the pipe. So when you're done, just disconnect all the connections, clean off the hose, and put everything back in the box. You're ready for your next job. So, thank you very much for using the JM-1000. And if you have any questions about the use of this device, feel free to call the Drain Brains at 800-245-6200. Thanks again, and have a great day.